Hello friends, welcome to All That Matters, a channel about all and everything. Let's face it, babies are expensive. You might ask, they are such small, cute little beings who do not demand anything on their own except for crying. How can they become expensive? There is no doubt that babies bring in immense joy and bring meaning to life, and it's not fair to put a price tag to it. Smart parents are those who are prepared for this journey, not only emotionally but very importantly financially. So, let's see how much it costs to have a baby in India. For the purpose of this video, I have considered the cost for the first 2 years of baby's life and also well-off couple who are living in a major city in India. Number 1. Prenatal expenses and doctor consultations. The average monthly expense of an expecting mother is around 2000 rupees, which includes vaccination and supplements and doctor visits every month, which cost around 1000 per visit till 8 months of pregnancy, that is rupees 8000. Number 2. Sonography. A single sonography costs around 2000 to 3000 rupees. The overall cost come around 15,000 rupees. Number 3. Maternity clothing. A expectant woman would not be able to fit in her regular clothes, and depending on the month of pregnancy she is in, she would need clothes in different sizes. That would be around 15,000. So, total of pre-delivery expenses would come anywhere between 50 to 60,000. Prenatal expense and doctor consultation 26,000, sonography 15,000, maternity clothing 15,000, overall 56,000. Number 4. Maternity expenses. The average cost of maternity or birthing cost in a hospital in a city in India is anywhere between 75,000 to 1 lakh for 3 days hospitalization and care. In addition to this, there might be additional costs if there are any complications either for the mother or the baby. NICU charges may also be incurred if there are any issues with the baby or if the baby is premature after the baby is born. Number 5. Diapers. Once the baby is in the world, he or she needs diapers. Taking an average of 5 diapers a day at a cost of rupees 10 each, they would consume rupees 50 a day for diapers. Take that cost till they are potty trained, let's say for 2 years. The cost comes to 2 years into 365 days into 50 rupees, which is rupees 36,500. Of course, one could use reusable diapers, but they come at extra efforts and would need sanitizing, cleaning, washing, drying, storing, which if you consider your productive cost per hour, it will turn out to be higher. You also need to add cost of wet wipes. Number 6. Clothes. Babies grow very fast, meaning they need their clothes replaced often because they grow out of their size. Though they do not need fancy clothes, they need a lot of clothes because they throw up or have diaper leaks. So, let's take they need 10 sets of clothes for a period of 3 months, after which you need to buy again. Let us assume one pair costs rupees 400. The overall cost would be 4 quarters into 2 years into 10 sets into 400 rupees, that is rupees 32,000. Number 7. Milk substitutes. Mother's milk is best for babies as recommended by doctors, and this is very economical since it comes at zero cost, but it is always not feasible. If milk substitutes are being used, the cost of milk substitute for 2 years comes to 400 into 2 cans, 400 being the cost of 1 can, 2 cans per week into 54 weeks into 2 years, that is 86,400. Number 8. Pediatrician fees. The child has to visit the pediatrician every 3 months. Considering the cost of one visit as rupees 600, total cost comes to rupees 600 into 4 quarters into 2 years, which comes to rupees 4800. Number 9. Vaccination cost and growth supplements. The cost of vaccination for 2 years comes to around 45,000. This can go up to 70,000 if one is to choose painless version of vaccines. Number 10. Massage person. Babies need a malish wali for making their bones and muscles strong. Cost of engaging a malish wali comes to rupees 5,000 per month, and for 8 months it is rupees 40,000. Number 11. Toys. Babies need toys for sensory development. Cost of toys comes to rupees 15,000. Number 12. Other accessories for the baby. For ease of use, many baby accessories like baby bathtub, carrier, pram, walker, crib, bedding, etc. is to be purchased. This comes to another rupees 25,000. Number 13. Child care expenses. A baby needs a full-time adult's attention. So, if the mother is working, then child care expenses or the nanny expenses need to be incurred. That comes to around 20,000 per month. The mother can avail maternity leave of 6 months as allowed by the law. Post that, for 1.5 years it is rupees 3,60,000. Number 14. Real estate. A baby needs a silent place to sleep undisturbed, and after about 6 months of age needs space to crawl and walk. Many parents have to move to a larger place once the baby arrives. So, additional cost of real estate comes to an incremental cost of rupees 5,000 per month. For 2 years it is 5,000 into 12 into 2, which is 1,20,000. Number 15. Other optional costs. Other than this, there would be other optional expenses like naming ceremony, annaprashna, tonsure ceremony, birthday party for the baby, return gifts, etc., which can cost anywhere between 1 to 2 lakhs. So, if we take the overall expenses of diapers, clothes, milk substitutes, pediatrician fees, vaccination and growth supplements, massage person, toys, baby accessories, child care or nanny expenses, real estate optional expenses, this comes to 9,89,700. So, before planning a baby, smart parents should think along the financial lines as well. The purpose of this video is not to scare or intimidate aspiring parents. The expenses considered here are based on personal experience and may be more or less depending on personal choices. Also, this is only indicative and is not an exhaustive list. But the nature of expenses may not change, though based on parents' choice, some of the expenses need not be incurred or could be substituted with other things. For example, if one is already in a house with adequate space for the need of the baby, additional real estate costs need not be incurred. Or if the mother is already stay-at-home mom, nanny expenses would not be required. Happy parenting. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.